Hello children, we can study chance and probability. Our chapter is data handling, chance and probability. These words often come up in our daily life. We have used these words chance, probability in our daily life. So, most of the cases you have used this chance in play or in exam, okay, while saying climate and all. That's the probability, okay. There may be the chance to win. Maybe you will get 90% in maths exam. There's the chance to get, okay. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. That is an sure event. It's a sure event. Sun rises. That is an event. Okay. Event. Then that is sure one. The chance is sure. Sun rises in the east itself. Okay. So it's an event that is 100%. Then you will fail in maths exam or you will pass. So two chances are there. Total two chances. Okay. The probability of win. You will success in this exam one chance or else you will fail in the exam. That also one chance. Okay. So the probability of win is total two outcomes were there. Outcome. Outcomes are success or failure. Okay. Two outcomes are here. One is success. Another one is failure. Okay. So this is the total outcomes. So the success, the probability of success is one time, one success. Total it was 2. Then in the case of failure, that also may be. So 2 outcomes were here. Among these, only one success and one failure. Then this is an event happened in exam time. Success and failure. Okay. In case of toss a coin, there are two chances. It may be head or tail. The probability of head. Total two outcomes were here. One outcome and second one. First one and second one. Anyway, total two outcomes. Among these, how many times head can come? You are going to throw only one time. So, the chance is favorable outcome. How many heads? Only one head. Half. So, the probability of head will be half. Also, the probability of tail will be half. Okay. What is the sum of this half and half? This is 1. Okay. In case of success and failure, half and half. So, that also will be 1. So, sum of all the probabilities of each elementary event. Each elementary event. Next word, you got it here. Elementary event. Elementary event, you got it. Okay, something happened. That is throwing a coin or a die and or sun rises in the east and so on. This everything is event. And then if an event has only one outcome, it is called an elementary event. only one outcome. In case of head and tail, here total two outcomes were here. Okay. Then here only one tail and here only one tail. Sorry, one head and one tail. Then sum of all the probabilities of each elementary event is 1. Sum will be 1. Okay, just understand it. This keep it in your mind. Is tossing a coin or throwing a die, everything is occurrence in random experiment. Throwing. Okay. Then next one, that coin, throwing a coin, then throwing a die. Okay. Then everything is random experiment. Okay. What is probability? Chance we have studied, event we have studied. What about probability? That also we have studied. But probability is the chances of occurrence of an outcome in a random experiment. Chances of occurrence of an outcome in a random experiment. For a die, which all are the numbers we will get? Which numbers? Here, die has 6 faces. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the numbers. So, the probability of total, how many are there? 6 outcomes are here. So, number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes. How many are here? Possible outcomes, total outcomes, that is 6. Then our question is, what is the probability of getting 1 when you throw a coin? Sorry, when you throw a die. What is the probability of getting face as 1? So we can write probability of 1 of we can write in bracket and 1 will be here. Only one is here. So we can say 1 upon 6. That is number of favorable outcome. Next word, favorable outcome. Favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is which probability we are going to find. So here 1, probability of 1. So our favorable outcome will be number 1. Next, if you are going to find probability of 2, your favorable outcome is 2. Okay, but how many are here? 1 only 1, 2 also only 1, one side. If your favorable outcome is 3, only 1 3 is there in die. Okay, only 1 3 is there in die. Each numbers only one time. So all outcomes will be 1. Okay, then probability of 2 is equal to, how many 2's are here? That is 1 2 is here. Total number of outcomes, that is 6. So 1 upon 6. So what is the sum of this event? All events here 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means probability of 1 will be 1 upon 6. 2 will be 1 upon 6. 3 also only one time. So 1 upon 6. Again 1 upon 6. Again 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. 6 also only one time. Okay. So the sum of this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 6. 6 on 6 will be 1. Okay. Next, I would like to throw a die only one time. So the numbers were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the probability of getting 8? Is there any number 8? No, there is no 8 up to 6. So there is no chance to our favorable outcome. Here, which is the favorable outcome? 8. Total number of outcomes are 6. So 0 upon 6. What is the P of 8? That is probability of 8. There is no chance. So the probability is 0. Okay. Probability of 10. There is no number 10. So there is no chance to get this our favorable outcome 10. Okay. Then 0 on 6. Total outcomes are 6. So this also 6. But other numbers 1 on 6. 1 to 6. The numbers 1 to 6 will be 1 on 6 is the probability of numbers. Okay, probability of 1 on 6, probability of 2, 1 on 6, probability of 3, 1 on 6 and probability of 6 also 1 on 6. So we can say sometimes I would like to ask if the numbers getting less than 7. How many numbers are here total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 numbers. All these numbers are less than 6 itself. So, if you throw any time 6 times, the chance will be 6. Favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. The numbers, according to our question, the numbers are less than 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are less than 6 itself. So we can say total number of favorable outcomes 6. If you get any number, that will be our favorable outcome itself. Okay. So total number of outcomes 6. Favorable outcomes also 6. So the probability of getting numbers less than 7. That will be probability of P of numbers less than 7 will be 1. Full will get. So, if there is no number, that probability, this will be 0. And if any other times, we will get 1. Or else, 1 on 6. Okay. Then 2 on 6 and so on. Clear? Then next question. First we got 0 as the probability. Then 1 as the probability. Any other probability? Shall we check? My question is, if you throw a die, you have to get only even numbers. So P of even. How many even numbers are here? 2, 4, 6 are even numbers. So 3 even numbers. Total outcomes 6 itself. So here it is 1 on 2 is the probability of even. That is 3 on 6. Anyway, this 1 by 2 is between 0 and 1. Okay. So we can say which have no chance of happening have probability 0. No chance of happening have no. That is 0 will be the probability. And those that are bound to happen have probability 1. Full will get that way probability will be 1. So now we can say events that have many possibilities can have probabilities between 0 and 1. The probabilities between 0 and 1. It may be 0 or more than 0, but maximum will be 1. Between this, that means sometimes 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on. Okay. that is proper fraction. It may be proper fraction. Proper fractions are less than 1. That means numerator will be smaller than the denominator. Now you got idea about chance and probability. Is it clear? Thank you.